This is another elevator at the medical complex of Sarasota, and of course Sarasota, Florida. This is building H of the complex. Only buildings E and H have elevators, so this one's a general. Well, actually, the other one's a general, but I mean, like, this one. I think it has a different call line. Yeah, it definitely does. The other one was GAL, I remember. We're gonna go to. Here we are at 2. So we're gonna go down to 1 now. Here's your emergency phone, which is ADA compliant. The door does not close when you push the button. So watch the indicator, or not the indicator, the lantern change. And now we're gonna end it down at 1. There's an air freshener in here. So the lantern stays lit, and it's gonna stay lit all the way down. It's kind of some fast leveling. And that'll be it.